Hadian baka Jimmy Kubor baka Meghalaya keduna haka liang jong kapuli puthi haba nujor bat kibai ki jylla hari India kabala pelat pajba ada ka kaipod Minister for Education Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank haka khandai tering mentau benai jilio ahajar apawai. Haba krem kila patai kubor Minister bapei katanat puli puthi u lakaman lumbu ila ong bah kini ki khandiat snem ka jylla kala kham kiew haka liang kapuli puthi banyan nujor bat kibai ki snem. Bola ongru bo ngong yu Chief Minister ka jylla Conrad ki sangma bola shim kya bha habaya dei bat ka puli ka puthi ha ka jylla.
So the Meghalaya has got about 649 points out of 1000 points which has been taken as index by the government of India. But if we see the fact of the matter is that it is not that it is the Meghalaya has improved every year. In 2017-18, the score is 584. And 2018-19, the score is increased to 610. And this year, this last report, 2019-20, the score is 649. So in these last 3 years, there is the improvement, and we will improve more. And we know the deficiency. That's why since 2018-19, I have already spoken about 3 things which need to be done. Number 1 is infrastructure. Number 2 is that the trained teacher. And number 3 is that how to improve the facility of the schools. I'm very glad in all these issues, the government has addressed it. In fact, in the last 3 years, more than 200 schools, LP schools, additional classrooms have been sanctioned by the government of Meghalaya, which have already been completed. And I'm very thankful to the Honorable Chief Minister, who has placed time and said time and again that education is a priority, which this year 200 schools will be upgraded in facility of the government schools with an investment of about 100 crore. So this is a infrastructure we are addressing, and we need more. Number 2, regarding the trained teachers. 19,306 teachers were trained in 2020-21 under Nishtha. And attendance of the teachers also have been launched, captured in November 2020 on the Teams. And textbook, all over whatever we get, we are distributing, and we are expanding of ICT and computer aided learning into 50 plus government schools this year. So drinking water in schools will be improved in collaboration with JJM. And MLIT portal is now ready to offer the state level online program which will improve the volume and quality of training.